Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired courtesy vehicles, which is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. This four-wheel drive LT only has 3,497 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This vehicle comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine and 18 by 8.5 inch aluminum wheels. Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers over $8,600 in savings. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have our Bose premium audio system, jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle, all weather flooring, heated seating, our Chevy MyLink radio, and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.